New here at noon, the Broward County School Board has 4 new members. Our Taylor Hernandez reports they were appointed after a grand jury recommended the removal of 4 former members. Taylor.
Aaron, that's correct. The Broward County School District, it is the 6th largest in the nation. More than 270,000 students attend one of the district's more than 330 schools. And each year, these board members are working with a $4 billion budget. So it's a big responsibility. This morning, Tori Alston, Manuel Serrano, Ryan Ryder, and Kevin Tynan were sworn in during a special ceremony. Governor Ron DeSantis appointed these 4 members after he suspended 4 others. Each new member taking time during the ceremony to thank the governor for the opportunity and stressing the importance of working together. But how did we get to this point? Well, a grand jury called for the removal of these 4 officials: Patricia Good, Donna Korn, Ann Murray, and Lori Rich Levinson. The grand jury accused the suspended and now replaced board members of decisions that led to, quote, massive cost overruns and delays in a school's safety education program. That program in question was approved by county voters in 2014. It's now projected to cost $500 million more than initially planned for and began 4 years after the initial goal of 2021. In a statement, Governor DeSantis said that 4 years after the Parkland school shooting, the district still had not installed alarm systems for active shooters. Right now in this story on WPBF.com, you can read reaction from those former board members and learn more about the grand jury's findings. Aaron, back to you.